Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well, and in this video we will be discussing about the next 15-day preparation roadmap even if you have not started in terms of the professional knowledge section on the IBPS SOIT, that's for the prelims exam. So again, we know that there is a lot to cover in this upcoming 15 days, and in this year you might have already know that we have a different exam pattern for the IBPS SOIT. So what's the pattern? So we're having a new addition in terms of whatever was added in the past few years, apart from quants and aptitude and English language, but we now have the section which is known as professional knowledge even in the prelims exam. And that was quite unexpected, and hence we have curated prelim focus notes. So we will be sharing it after the end on the end of this video. So please watch till the end. The preparation we are suggesting, again, it's not like written in stones. You can definitely customize it according to your own schedule and your thought process. So how and what are we focusing on? So we have 25 questions, a max time limit of 20 minutes for the professional knowledge, and we have maximum marks of 50. So it means that we have one question of each 2 mark. And there's also a negative marking out there as well. And we have 15 subjects. Again, as we don't have an official SOIT syllabus, it's more of like analysis over the past few years and considering the other government exams, the few topics, a few subjects that we normally focus on in terms of the professional knowledge slash system slash computer science IT, and hence it's nearly sitting about 15, like on the range of 10 to 15 subjects. So, but we just want to play very safe and we don't want to miss out anything, so hence we have kept out the total count of subject as 15. So what's next? Phase one, which is the foundation. So let's say you start off with the notes that we have published. So you start reading through all the content out there. Even if you are prepared, we believe that this will be a more value addition to it, not only just because it will act like a second guidebook or a second knowledge source, it can also act like a quick refresher on the materials or the concepts that you have learned over the last few months in terms of the SOIT examination. So day one, completely focus on DBMS and networking. Again, as we know, the time crunch is very, very, very limited out here. So definitely it will not be a very easy and relaxed roadmap. Try to cover as much as possible within the next 15 days, even if you have not started with the preparation. And professional knowledge, we don't know how good or bad this might occur. So, and also we know that there's a high chance that this will be a very critical factor because they will be constantly filtering out the candidates on the first half, which is the prelims examination. So you still cannot rule out, because earlier what people used to do is that they used to wait till the mains examination for the preparation of the core domain subject, which in our case is the computer science and IT subjects. So day one, start off with DBMS and networking in parallel. Most important topics are the questions around normalization, SQL queries, ER diagram. Definitely in networking, we have many concepts. Importantly, we have all this TCP IP layers, application layer. What are the protocols we have in terms of that, and some very classy example with respect to subnetting. Day two, you start off with a fresh mind on operating system and data structure and algorithm. Again, definitely you can mix and match on any subject combination you want. We will be showcasing what are the 15 subjects we have accustomed for the whole notes bundle for the IBPS SO IT prelims. That's up to you, but it's more about like a certain framework. If you have already or aware of the concept, you want to revise, this is a better way to start off with. So you start off with the day two on OS and DSA. Now this will take a huge amount of time. So day two, try to extend, try to little bit go beyond your comfort zone and complete as much as topic with respect to the operating system and DSA. If you're not able to complete on day two, that's also fine. You can quickly complete the day three with the COA and digital electronics, and all the buffer time that you have on day three might be carried forward to day four. You can like brush up a few concepts that you might have missed on day two with respect to DSA or OS, whatever has been missed out. Day four and day five will be kind of more on a lighter level. We have the software engineering. on one part, and then we have the object-oriented programming. This can definitely go hand in hand. And day five, we start off with your web technology and compiler design. So you cannot rule out tech or compiler design because that's very important with respect to the prelims at least because they will be quietly grilling you in terms of the core subjects we have. So that's one part of, let's say, OSDS and compiler design, and some basic fundamental that one should know of if they are joining or they are want to be part of this IT industry, which is a web tech. That's mostly around like API stuff, API methods, HTML, CSS, JS, basic. We have a lot of them covers that gets covered in the prelims SOIT bundle. It's not like we're not saying that go or complete as much as you want. It's more about we have few highlighted points that you have to first focus on, and then definitely if you have time, you can go on the deep down the rabbit hole on that. This was more about you complete or cover in the first few 5 days, and then we jump into more of the what we say advanced phase, right? So day six, we start off with cybersec and cloud. We have all this like encryption algorithms, firewalls, uh, different methods, or I will say like different architectures within the cloud computing principles. Day seven, it's more about the TOC and emerging tech. Now, emerging tech you strictly cannot rule out because we have noticed in pattern in almost all of the exams. So definitely, it's not a wise idea to rule out this emerging tech. Date more about relaxation. You just focus more on the computer fundamentals like number system, IO devices, and few concepts around the banking tech. Uh, Again, might be asked, might not be, but better not to rule it out. Day 9 and day 10, you just start off with a mixed revision. So we have written that solve 100 MCQ from previous year papers. Uh, and if you don't have, reach out to us. We can definitely share it. But also in our notes, we will be including mock sheet bundle as well. So quick 25 questions bundle in a mock sheet for your practice. So we'll be initially releasing with at least 5 to 10. Again, at first, we'll first launch the complete PDF bundles for your complete revision or your preparation. And maybe after a day or two, we'll be quietly updating the notes bundle with the mock sheet as well. So with this, we kind of cover a lot many things in the first 10 days. And again, if you still think that you might not be able to complete most of the things by day 8, it's totally fine. You can stretch it to day 9 at max until 10. But the next 5 days, which is from like day 11 to day 15, that should be completely dedicated for your full mock test, identifying your strengths and weaknesses. Again, a full mock test, identifying your strengths and weaknesses. What are the cheat sheet you must refer to? And that should get stretched till the day 15. So day 15 is where you just like quickly do a quiet revision, and that's how you are understanding the concepts if you have missed out anything, and definitely take a very good sleep uh, for the next like after these 2 weeks, because we know that the August 29th is exam date, but try to have a limited time frame for your preparation so that even if you miss out, let's say also on the day of like day 15, you still have the concepts in the back of the mind that will need some focus. So but the main recommendation what we want to give is that at least try to complete as much as major topic as possible. Minor you can definitely like tackle within the last week of the examination as well, and that's how you ace the examination. It's more about you also do have some other questions, other section to focus on. So it's definitely a best idea to give all in for the next 2 weeks starting today. And that's how it should be. It should be how like quickly polished and structured way of learning it. So the 15 subjects what we were talking about, and we have ordered it with respect to your high, medium, low priority. Again, it's not written in stone. Definitely, there might be a mix and match. So you shouldn't be like ruling any of the things out when you see the tag saying medium or low. It's just more about as a term of like brain refresher that this is how what should be prioritized. So DBMS networking, OS, programming slash OP, which is object oriented programming, and cybersec compared to DSA. Obviously, DSA we have written medium because in prelims it's very difficult to predict what exactly they might be asking for DSA. Don't go much deeper down in the rabbit hole in terms of DSA, or let's say even on COA, I should say. Try to be as like closer to what we say as prelims level. And how do you understand that? We will be sharing mock sheets also on the notes bundle once we have good amount of feedback from the user in terms of the content. And we have done this for the past examination like HPCL, Coal India, and we keep on doing this. We keep on bringing this amazing content and bundled notes and also the mock sheets for you. So this is what we have in terms of the 15 subjects coverage. Pro tips for success. Again, we know that you guys are working really hard in terms of cracking all the ITCS rated exams. But again, focus on high weight topics, time management. That's a very important thing because right now we know that this professional knowledge has been added in terms of the prelims pattern. So it kind of messed up your mind because that's what not being expected in terms of the 2026 notification. So time management is a very important thing. Spend max 45 seconds per question. If you don't are not able to solve in that way, try to come after some time and then work on it. Daily MCQ practice. Definitely, again, this will not be recommended at least on the initial day, but when we say about daily MCQ practice, our notes has few, I think per notes we have around 20 MCQs for all the concepts that we cover in a single subject. So let's say if you study DBMS, at the very end of the notes or the PDF that has been uploaded on the portal, we have a collection of around 20 MCQs. Again, it's more about like a quick refresher just we have in terms of when you study from any books. Again, track your progress. If you want, jot down some points that are your weaknesses, what you are lacking behind, which things you are able to understand in a very simple way. Try to keep everything as much as possible in terms of your progress and the track. And obviously, the last 2 points, smart revision and staying consistent is very, very, very important in terms of how you are appearing for the exam. Confident, be confident about, yes, we can do it. We will be able to do it. We should be able to do it. And that's how you will be solving all the questions on the examination with respect to professional knowledge. And with that being said, here is a chance again. Consistency will always beat the intensity. You still have a good amount of time, I should be recommending. So definitely trust the process, and you should be really be flying high with respect to when you appear for the prelims exam. Now, with that being said, I'll just quickly glance you through of the notes that we have. So once you open the link that will be attached in the description, and also in the comments. And also, we have a Telegram channel where we share all the real-time updates about exams, what is the status about it, different materials, cheat sheet, and whatnot. So please feel free to either search IT Exam Flex on Telegram, and you should see a top channel appearing for it. Join, subscribe, support us, and also, we have this YouTube channel, amazing YouTube channel, where you guys keep on engaging with us, asking questions, providing feedback, and that's what we love. And hence, we are today launching the notes for prelims only focus for the IBPS SOIT. So once you open this up, you should be having the uh, like a direct link for accessing the notes. You complete these steps for accessing the notes. Once you have that, you will be getting an email from the portal saying that the purchase has been completed, and hence this is the link to access your notes. So once you open that, you should see a similar portal in terms of like what you will be seeing on your end as well. So we have on the right hand side saying professional knowledge, a list of 15 subjects. So we have this, I mean, you can track out here selecting that, hey, I have complete DBMs. How do I track it? So just click on this checkbox and it should track it for you. Again, this is just a way to track it, but the main recommendation what I will be is try to write it, try to draw if you have a whiteboard in front of you, try to make it more visual. So whenever you are around or within your room, when you're preparing, you see all those things happening behind you, around you as well. Again, we have a similar pattern as you see. So if you see, uh, this is what the note says, and important things are that we have highlighted with colored text. So when you're reading through it, you don't have to like read line by line. It's more about, hey, what is land, man, and van, and it can be other topic X, Y, Z as well. And this is what the important topics are, or important, let's say, points are to support this kind of topic X, Y, Z. And we have amazing summaries for our comparison table. We have diagrams to explain formulas, important thing, and importantly, if you scroll a little bit down, I'll say the end of the all any of these subjects that you see out here, we have all this like dummy or we should say like sample questions for you to like practice. Again, it has already been marked out here for you, but wait for a day or two where we will be implementing. There should be a section saying mock sheet, which we have done the same thing for other exams like SEBI, HPCL, Coal India, BSNL, and we'll be doing this for this exam as well for in terms of like the prelims level question. So with that being said, I'll not take much time. Get started with the preparation if you have not, and if you still have, I mean, if you have already prepared a lot and you just want to grasp some more additional concept, doesn't want to get behind of the crowd, try to get the note bundle as soon as possible, and we will meet on the next video. With that being said, all the best, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.